Hello there, our 13th episode is all about a girl named Christine. She is single and works as a data entry associate in a software company. She is an outgoing person. Once every weekend, she likes to drive a car and go out of town with her friends. They like hiking, swimming, discovering new shops, eating, etc. She is not very familiar with car maintenance. Her car is only taken care of when his daddy visits her apartment. Tatum is single, works as an admin associate in a life insurance company, and is a car enthusiast. He really likes Christine to be his girlfriend, but she doesn't have any interest in him. He likes to watch all about cars, and sometimes he goes to car shows just to view and test ride brand new cars. He knows a lot about fixing a car and maintaining it. Sometimes while he is browsing the internet, he saw Christine's post on social media about their getaway with her friends. He notices that Christine's car tire is quite thin, so he messages her to replace the tire of her car because it's dangerous if she continues to use it. Christine agreed, but she is not very mindful about it. When Christine went home to their apartment, she thought about what Tatum said, so she called her dad in a video call to show her car tire if it can still be used or not, and her dad said no, you must replace that tire immediately. After the call, she watched TV and saw on the news that there was a car collision, and the reason behind it is that the tires of the car are thin. She was shocked and she immediately replaced the tires of her car. She messaged Tatum and thanked him. After that, they became close friends and eventually became a couple.